What is up, guys? It is Josh here with another couple things video where I take you through our plans and our tips and tricks on how you can become financially independent. Now, this is just going to be a quick guide on how to start affiliate marketing for any beginners in the year of 2021. Basically, if you're new to this and you don't have a lot of money to spend, this video is for you. I'm going to be doing it based off of $5 a day advertising costs, and we're just going to go from there, and I'm going to walk you through it. First thing you want to do is go to ClickBank. We've already made a video about ClickBank. You make a free account. It's where you're going to get your products to sell. So you're going to want to go to health and fitness or whatever category you want. I'm choosing health and fitness because it's popular. Do diets and weight loss. That's what I'm choosing. You can also choose different. You're going to want a must-have affiliate tools page. You're going to want the gravity to be 80 or lower, or 82. It doesn't really matter too much. Then you want to sort results by gravity. Okay, so once you've done all of that, and remember, you have plenty of options over here on the left side if you want to do a different type of product. You got to choose your product. I already chose one. I chose Try Alive Godzilla Eater upping the CB game, whatever that is. Anyways, so you're going to want to look at the page and make sure it's something that you feel comfortable selling. So far, it's a video that you don't have to watch. I always like those. You got your sales right there so people don't get lost, and then you got facts. So it's a simple sales page that isn't going to throw people for a loop that they have to spend hours upon hours of reading. So it's a good deal. It's something that's going to sell because they answer questions. They have a good deal here. They make it look like you got a discount. So then you got a sense of urgency when someone looks at this. They're going to be like, oh, wow, right now they're offering me $500. Well, what's my math? $600 off. Whoa, I need to buy now. Then boom, there's your $113 commission. So I like this one, and we're going to go for it. So once you've chosen which one you like, there's two things you need to do. First thing is click promote, enter your account nickname, press generate hop link, copy. Once you've done so, go over here, press not that either. You got to paste. There we go. So once you've pasted with your link, recopy this so you don't have that weird virus looking link. Okay, once you copy that, you can exit out of this. Now, once you have all that, go to your affiliate page for your support and see what they have. All right, so they're offering you some stuff. You got to enter your ClickBank ID and your email. Now, access affiliate resources. Oh, right here. Okay, so you got a Facebook images for if you were to run Facebook ads, advertorials, which is, I have no idea, but I'm sure they're great. Press releases, which is basically going to be someone important talking about it. Banners, if you want pictures. Email swipes, if you are going to use mass emails to send out, if you have an email list, which I don't. Demographics, which is very important. Selling to the following. So 20% men, 80% women, 35 to 65, United States, tip of Africa, and Australia, United Kingdom. And don't forget New Zealand, of course. Entertainment, diet, news, celebrities. Cool. This is important. These are keywords right here. You got detoxing, natural weight loss, green smoothies, juicing, skinny teas, cleansing, and smoothies. Cool. So we got everything we need right here. So we've got our link copied, we got our demographics, and we've got our keywords. So from here, you are going to go to Microsoft Advertising. You are going to go to All Campaigns, and you're going to create a new campaign. You will go to Visits to my website. You will click on your available business, or you'll create a new business. You'll click Next. You'll click within a specific location. You will type what countries you want to advertise to. So United States, United Kingdom, and Australia, and Canada. Well, frick, sorry if anyone who lives in Canada, I spelled your simple country wrong. Not the city. Goodness. Canada. Wow, I did it twice. Canada. The country, you dumb thing. Canada. Oh my god. Alright. Sorry anyone who lives in Canada, but I'm not going to advertise to you. All right, so you've chosen your few places to advertise, and then you click next. After that, you will add your keywords, which I'm just going to skip over real quick and jump over to my other advertisement that already has all of those. All right, so here we are with my keywords. Now notice here I did a bunch of different keywords. I did about 15 or whatever that is. I don't even know. I have short-term keywords such as detoxing, green smoothies, juicing, skinny teas, cleansing smoothies, and so forth. I also have longer-term, natural weight loss, detoxing smoothies, natural weight loss women. That is to appeal to the customer base that purchases these products, and so forth. I got all of this off of this. So I have 14 keywords roughly. I have a short-term, which is detoxing. I have one of these in each of it. And then I added something on to get to more people. And I feel like that is always the smartest way to advertise something. If you have keywords to use, is you take them and then you use the short one and then you use the long one. So once you're here, you're going to click save. And then you'll be setting your budget. Okay. So once you've clicked save, you're not going to be at this page because this is my page for the one I already did. You will be at this page. It's probably going to have you at some ridiculous amount of like $254 per day. That's not acceptable. So as I said, bring it down to $5 today, right there. Then you'll click save, and then it'll send you to a page that says your campaign is under review. Once you've clicked through that, then you will be at this page. And then right here is where you'll go in the future to see how your advertisement is doing. If you ever want to add more keywords, this is where you'll go. If you ever want to add more locations, you'll go right there, change your budget. And then once it's actually advertising, you'll see your impressions right here. And then your clicks right there. So yeah, that is how you do affiliate marketing for beginners for $5 a day. Oh, excuse me. Anyone can do it. It's nothing too complicated. I mean, I walked through it for you in like 10 minutes. The key is finding a product. Obviously, you don't have to do the exact same one I do. Obviously, you don't have to follow the exact same things I do. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you this is going to make you money. It's just what I'm going to try. But I'm actually going to leave this running and see what it does for us for the next couple days. And then once we're done, I think we'll probably leave it running for 30 days. And we'll do like a comparison every few days to see how we're doing, how much we spent compared to how much we made. And if you guys want to, follow along. And like I said, this is our financial journey. I'm going to keep making these videos when we go through ideas. I'm excited to announce that we are about to announce our first product that we're creating for our online business. So stay tuned for that. That will be exciting. Past that point, I'm going to keep making affiliate marketing videos, keep making t-shirts. I'm going to keep making YouTube videos and so forth. So yeah, if you enjoy our content, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow the journey. If for nothing else, it's so that in a year from now, I can show you my new Lamborghini I buy. I mean, that'd be cool. So, peace out till the next one. And remember, never settle for what everyone tells you to settle with. Just do your own thing. Peace out, bros.